Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Catchberry's collection. Today I'm going to teach you people how I made this beautiful top you are seeing here. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So this is the fabric I'll be using, and it's a crepe fabric. I have 3 yards of fabric here. So I folded it into 4 parts. Yeah, and the fabric is by 60. So I folded it. So right here, I'm going to mark out my neck width, which is 2.75, because it's going to have a turtleneck. 2.75 here. And I'm cutting the back first. I'll cut out the back first. So the back is 1 inch by depth, while the front is 3 inches. So over here, I'm using the whole fabric. Over here, for the sleeve length, I'm using the whole fabric here. So by this side, you go down by 2 inches. Sorry, 3. Go down by 3 inches for the shoulder slope. Then connect the line to the neck line. Then over here for the sleeve, you are going to put your round sleeve. Measure out your round sleeve for here. Then put it here. You can put your round sleeve times 3 or so. Your round sleeve times 3 divided by 2. You can put it over here. Then you can add some allowances if you want it to gather much, because it's going to have gathers. Then go in by 2 inches and carve it. So this is it. So for the length of the gown, I'm going to use the whole 60 inches for the length. Then if you are making your own, you can choose to use 60 inches or any length that you want to use. So I'm cutting it out already. I'm cutting it out already. When you are working with this type of fabric, you have to be careful because it's a light crepe. So I'm going to cut it like this all the way down. So this is it. I'm done with the cutting. What I have to do is to remove the back, then recut the front neckline. Like I said before, the neck depth that I will use is 3 inches. It's going to have a turtleneck. So this is it. I'm done with the recutting. I'm done with the recutting. And the next thing to do is to shape it out. This place is going to have gathers. I'm going to join the shoulders and shape it with 1/2 inch. So for the back part, I'm going to open up the back by 6 inches for easy access, so that if I want to put it on, it will enter, because it's not going to have a zip. And remember that it's a turtleneck. So the next thing I will do is to cut the facing. I believe you all know how to cut facing. So I'm going to shape it and come back. Okay, I'm done with the shaping and the joining of the shoulders. I used 1/2 inch to do everything. And this is it. I allowed small opening here because I'm still going to attach the band. And this is it. I'm done with the shaping. Like I said before, it's very easy to make. It's very easy. So I'm about to recut the gown now. The top, I'm about to recut it. So how do I do that? I am going to measure from the neck, from the shoulder down to whatever length that I want. Remember that I removed 3 inches from this side, so I can as well start from this side to measure it to any length. Measure it to any length that you want. So here I used 25, but I later decided to raise it up a little bit. So you can choose any length that you want yours to be and measure it there. So while cutting, this is the way you are going to cut it down to the other side. So this is it. I'm done with the cutting of my own. Can you see the shape? I'm done with the cutting. So what I have to do next is to fold it in. For the down part, fold it in. Then for the sleeve, remember that I left some opening there. Then I have to gather it. Then attach my band. For the neck is going to have a collar. And I'm done with the facing of the back. It's a turtleneck. So this is what I've cut out for the band. So how to get it? You have to measure your round sleeve and add the allowance. Then you can choose the length that you want yours to be. I used 6 inches here. So you have to gather it here. See the way you look, then you shape it out. Okay? So this is the collar that I will attach at the neck of my clothes. So this is it. I'm going to sew it, and this is the way it looks like. So beautiful and classy. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I beg you with the name of God. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.